The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Anson County in central North Carolina, Richmond County in central North Carolina, until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:01 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Rockingham, Wadesboro, Hamlet, Ellerby, Dobbins Heights, Lylesville, Morven, Norman, McFarland, Blewett Falls Lake, Diggs, East Rockingham, Covington and Sand Hills Game Land. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.